saw you, I knew you were the one. With every step, every breath, you became my sun. In your eyes I found my home, in your smile my peace. In your arms I'm never alone, my love will never cease. I'm yours through every high and low. I'm yours no matter where we go. With every beat of my heart, I'll love you more each day. I'm yours in every single way. And when the world feels heavy and the nights are long, I'll be your shoulder, lean on. Together we are strong. Through the storms and the sunshine, through the joy and the pain. With you I feel divine, in your love I'll remain. I'm yours through every high and low. I'm yours no matter where we go. With every beat of my heart, I'll love you more each day. I'm yours in every single way. When the world feels heavy and the nights are long, we've built a life, a story with chapters full of dreams. With you there's only glory, love bursting at the seams. In your touch I find my truth, in your kiss my light, I'll forever be your muse. In your arms I take flight. As we grow old together and our hair turns gray, my love for you will never wither. It's here to stay, every moment, every glance I cherish and adore. With